Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, we will learn how to create heart loading or preloading animation using HTML and CSS. Before we begin, kindly subscribe or follow for more videos. Let's begin. Create your HTML and CSS file. Add the HTML boilerplate and edit the title. Link your CSS file to your HTML file. We need only container and loader div in our HTML file and we are done with HTML. We are done with HTML. Let's start styling. Starting from the container. Then the loader class. Copy the mask content and paste it in WebKit mask content. Add keyframes for the animation. We are done with our CSS. Let's check the output of our project. Here is the output, but there is an error somewhere. Let's find the error. I found the problem. I wrote background color instead of background size under keyframes. Finally, here is our working project. If you like this video, kindly like and comment for more. Thank you.